Cebu to attend to another meeting tomorrow and today. But today I'd like to share. Can you guys hear me clearly?
Yes.
I hope so. And I'd like to share about some information about CSD as a brand. People will be asking a lot about this one, and I'd like to introduce to you this brand. And I think this is, I would say, due already, and with our partnership with Kuya Kim, this is a great opportunity for me to introduce it to you guys. But let me share my screen, tell you more about CSD. Okay, wait, let me share the screen right now. Wait, please. There you go. Can you guys all see the screen?
Yes.
Now, who is CSD? Now, the CS in CSD stands for Chengshin. And Chengshin Rubber Industry Company is the 10th largest tire company in the world. You guys know it's been 57 years of operation. We started in 1967. And the brand origin is from the Changhua County, Taiwan. And for everyone's information, Maxis is a subsidiary or a secondary brand under CSD. Now, we are the biggest bicycle and motorcycle tire manufacturer in the world, and we are also a third-party manufacturer for several tire companies. Unfortunately, I would not be able to disclose these information on who are these brands because of our contract with them. So in other words, we create some parts of some popular tire brands in the world, and they employ us to create those specific parts like the bead, the thread plies, the sidewall, and some even in the inner line. Now, CSD is OE fitment for several manufacturers, including both our passenger segment and the motorcycle. As you can see, there are from the industries from ranging from our biggest tires to truck and bus tires, all the way to motorcycle tires. And as a group, we produce in the passenger segment, which includes the SUV and the van and the light truck, we produce 26,000 tires per day. And for truck and bus, 10,500. But I think I heard they're already jacking this up to 13,500 tires per day to accommodate the consumption internally in terms of in its factory domestic and also internationally. Now for motorcycle and bike tires, we produce 3 million tires per day, 300,000 tires per day. Now as a group, including all our manufacturing facilities in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Taiwan, India, and China, we produce 1.5 million tires per day. This is how big CSD is. Now, I'd like to show you some important accreditations that CSD was able to pass as a brand. And what is the essence of these international standards, safety standards, and certification? This tells you that the brand itself was able to pass the safety standards of different accreditation bodies all across internationally. So in different regions, they have their own safety standards and manufacturing standards that they require from each vehicle or tire manufacturer. So if you pass this, you're allowed to sell and produce those tires in their regions. Okay. This includes, of course, I'd like to highlight our very own PS Mark in Philippines. Now, CSD has a lot of tech centers internationally. So we have in Taiwan. We also have 3 in Xiamen, China, and I think the 4th one is a proving ground in Shanghai. We also have a tech center in Nuremberg, Netherlands, in Atlanta, Georgia. So the importance of the tech centers, because they are these departments, they are the ones, the engineers behind and the designers behind these tech centers are the ones responsible to ensure that the tires that we create passes the quality standards of each region. And also, these guys are responsible for introducing specific technology and innovation that a specific market requires. For example, I think I'm going to discuss it a little bit later. For example, in a domestic China, wherein heavy loading is very important in terms of the commercial segment, the tech guys in Xiamen, China, was able to create super series heavy loading tires that could accommodate those, I would say, abnormally high loading condition or weight condition. I'll talk about it later as we move forward. Now, as a group, we are operating in 157 countries. We're not just operating in Asia, we are available in different parts of the world. And we have offices to distribute the brand CSD. Now, guys, this will be the end of introduction to CSD, but I would be available later in case you would want to ask for more information about the brand. And thank you so much for listening, and I hope you guys, learn about CSD. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir JP. Thanks for letting us in on the background of CSD and getting us to know your tire. So, just to remind everyone, our hashtag is CSD Tires Know Your Tire. So, if in case it's hashtag CSD Tires Know Your Tire. And now, let's please welcome Ms. Christine Roque as she tells us more about what this event is all about.
First and foremost, we would like to thank everyone. First and foremost, we would like to thank every one of you, especially to Kuya Kim Atienza. So thank you for being one with us in this advocacy. So just to tell everyone, so every year, more than 1.3 million people die in road accidents worldwide. So road traffic crashes are the 8th leading cause of death for people of all ages, and the leading cause of death for children and young adults. More than half of all road traffic deaths involve vulnerable road users, including pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycle riders. So in the Philippines, vehicular accidents rank among the top 12 leading causes of mortality as per PSA for 2022 and 2023 data, highlighting a significant road safety concern. So this statistics underscores the critical need for enhanced safety measures, such as the risk of dying from a road accident is higher than from a certain disease, let's say liver disease. At CSD Tires, we are committed to road safety through our advocacy and advanced tire technology. By investing in high-quality tires designed for better performance, durability, and safety, we aim to reduce the risk of accidents and improve road safety for everyone. Our tire technology is engineered to provide superior traction, stability, and overall driving safety, which is essential in preventing accidents and saving lives. So like our competitor, many tire brands fail to effectively communicate the advanced technology benefits behind their products, leaving consumers unaware of the critical role that high-quality tires play in safety and performance. This often leads to Filipinos to prioritize price over value, as they don't fully understand the benefits of investing in the right tire technology. To bridge this gap, we partnered with Kuya Kim Atienza. So, Kuya Kim Atienza, who excels at making complex concepts relatable and educational. His expertise helps clarify the importance of tire quality, ensuring that consumers appreciate the value of investing in superior tire technology for their safety and driving experience. So for this partnership, we shall be utilizing this partnership through digital marketing by releasing 12 videos monthly videos, and social media content which aims to educate the public about tire technology, application, of course with CST tires. We shall also be utilizing this partnership in our in-store channels through our point-of-sale marketing collaterals. With this campaign, we call everyone to, of course, know your tire. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Christine. And now, we've come to the most exciting part, and that is the contract signing between CST Tires and Kuya Ken. So, please do honors. If we're all done, let's do a quick photo op. Please have a look. Look at. Wait lang. If everyone's done, can everyone please stand up on the panel lang for a quick photo op? Please stand close together. A bit closer. One more here. One more.
Yun naman.
Okay, thanks everyone. Please. Okay, thanks everyone. So it's official.